probably don't have to shift here as much as I do. I can clutch mine and get away with it. If I got better running through the gears in my whole, I don't think I'll be able to do it. Woohoo!
What's Bubba doing, sis?
Right here is the other one.
So dry and dusty back there.
See him trying to
he's
around a little bit? Yeah!
Nail it, buddy. Nail it, bud.
You see him trying to get on it?
Yeah.
He's sitting there going, manhandling it. Whoa! Woo! That was awesome!
Dusty. You wanted it. Dusty. God, it's hot. Good turn. Nail it. Woo! Perfect. You wanted it. Nail it, bud. Right. Ouch. Fast, Bubba. Hit this one fast. Nail it. Yeah. Dead sailor jumping. Nope, he's tired. Go, nail it. Nope. You. Bubba. Go, Bubba! Go, Bubba, go! Got him, buddy. Lean back, lean back. Too much dust in his eyes.
That way in his
Well, I went and bought some skin so soft.
Alright.
I just bring that down here if you want it.
Well, I'm sure he'll buy it from. I think he pays like $16 for 24 ounces.
Come here, do you want some of this in there?
Okay, Caleb, just keep on going and bring the footer in for a load on the way around. Okay, trot, trot, trot. Okay, get ready and kick her again and can her off. Kick, 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 drop your hands.
Kiss her, Kay.
Drop your hands.
Kiss her, Kay. Kiss.
Kick.
Kiss her, Kay. There you go.
Stumbled as soon as she got stumbled. That was good. The horse just stumbled. That wasn't your fault. That was good. That's good. Keep on going. You're fine. The horse wasn't you. Perfect. There's two.
Pull him out. Yeah. Can I help you turn some flat?
Grab the horn.
I can if you want to. I can help.
There you go.
It doesn't matter to me.
Kiss her, Kay. Kiss her.
That letter didn't work.
Kiss her, Kay.
Oh, good.
Only a trot.
Maybe make it a little bit more.
Kiss, kiss. Quit pulling the reins back when you kick, Goodwin.
Get her, Kay.
Hands down, Kay.
Go, Kay. Kiss her.
We've got horses at home. Oh, okay. We went to camp this past year with Sherry. And last
I'm gonna take a dump.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. This time, kiss to her now.
Get her into a run now, sis. Kiss her, Kay. Get her into a gallop. Go. She's got them reins tight, don't you?
Jack them reins back pretty good.
Yeah, that horse don't know what to do. Kay's going on a ride down the road with her friend Goodwin. She loves it. Jason, are you able to go from that one way? Dang it, I missed that. Yeah, you will find out if you take a gulp of it, but it doesn't seem near. Like you can open your eyes when you duck dive here and it don't really bother you. He hasn't really been into it. Should grab a scene of that. You doing all right? Down. 1 second.
Me like driving it. There's something.
Got him. Got him, whoever it is. I got him. I did the good top bar surface. Phew. Get back. When it gets smaller, like stomach and chest off.
I think that's one because he's dust a long time. What if I need to cut back into the steep part? Outrun the thing and it's supposed to phase out.
Like on the ones where you're trying to get back into, rolling forward.
Bella, you look cute too, Pumpkin.
Pete!
You know I don't get a kiss on the lips?
What are you?
I'm a ladybug.
A ladybug? You're so cute, Belle. Let's see yours. Go over there because you know you like
Show
it.
your feathers.
Yeah, put your feathers up front.
I've been messing with you.
Let's see. Ah, say peace. It's so cute. Pull your feathers up front and show Martha.
I'll do it.
Okay. What are you, Indiana Jones? Oh. Oh, you look like Indiana Jones. That is cool. I thought you were going to be a troll. And we were going to stick a jewel in your belly button. No? That's what Martha said. Hattie, what are you?
Scientist over there.
I'm a cowgirl.
You're a cowgirl?
Put your glasses on.
Okay, Rye, what are you?
Mad scientist.
Really?
I know one of them.
Well, I know you're mad. I just didn't know you were a scientist.
Why are you all dirty? And I've been messing with explosions.
Oh, really?
He dressed up.
Yeah.
Isn't he great? Isn't
There's the minion and the...
the hottest person ever, can't you tell?
Yeah.
Great
See?
costume.
It's the minion. Are you alright, Kay? Now you don't look like a minion no more.
We're gonna take pictures.
Hey, what are you guys doing today?
Nothing.
What are you gonna do later? Bella, pull your hippie head down.
About to go trick-or-treating.
Dan, what are you dressed up as again? You still haven't decided what your costume is.
Do it in the world, right?
Taylor, get the picture. Hurry. Get the picture.
Kay,
No one. Stop it now.
Sweating. I can't see Ryan's face.
Daniel, you just gonna remain stone-faced? We can call you stone-face?
Stone face.
Nita, let me see you.
Of course, Kayla would be a minion because it would require wearing neon yellow clothing.
No, just turn around, baby. Turn, face me. Face me. No, face, turn. This way. I don't want to see your wings. I want to see your front.
Look over there. My wings
Come here, no.
are coming up.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
No, they're not.